Welcome to this tutorial on how to use TD Bank Online Banking. TD Bank Online Banking is a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds from the comfort of your own home. To get started, you will need to have a TD Bank account and be enrolled in online banking. First, go to the TD Bank website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password in the required fields and click Login. If you are a new user, you can click on the Enroll Now button to sign up for online banking. Once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard, which displays all of your accounts, including checking, savings, and credit cards. From here, you can view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. To pay a bill, click on the Pay Bills tab and select the account you want to use to pay the bill. Enter the payee information, including the name and address, and the amount you want to pay. You can also set up recurring payments for regular bills, such as your mortgage or car loan. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer Funds tab and select the account you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount you want to transfer and the frequency of the transfer. You can transfer funds between your own accounts or to another TD Bank account. TD Bank Online Banking also allows you to set up account alerts, which notify you of certain activity on your account, such as low balances or large transactions. To set up account alerts, click on the Account Alerts tab and select the type of alert you want to receive. In addition to these features, TD Bank Online Banking also offers a range of other tools and services, including budgeting and investment tracking. You can also use the TD Bank mobile app to access your accounts on the go. To ensure the security of your online banking, always use a strong password and keep your computer and mobile device up to date with the latest security software. Never access your online banking from a public computer or unsecured network. In conclusion, TD Bank Online Banking is a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts and conduct banking transactions. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and tools available, you can make the most of your online banking experience. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account information confidential to protect yourself from fraud and identity theft.